बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। कंवल पाड़ूं पाताल में, कंवल पाड़ूं पाताल में, भौर भिरे आकाश, बिनी संदी गालड़ी का राजिक आंधी रास, त इश्क के शाबास जय मोहब्बती मेड़िया। Worthy guests, respected teachers and faculty members as well as students of Beacon, Assalamu alaikum. I feel highly delighted to be with you this day, and it reminds me of all those sweet memories that we used to cherish while we were in our student life. And then stepping in professional life of teaching, I have seen that such programs have become a rare commodity in market. Teaching has taken its traditional value and traditional ways, whereas the teaching that is very much important component of education requires to be dynamic, requires to be changeable with the passage of time. Education that we all speak of is not an ordinary thing. Education is not merely to educate a child. Education is to shape a future generation. Education is to mold these young souls into valuable assets. Education is not only imparting the reading and teaching of books. It is all about changing one's values, one's ideals, and one's entire life course. I would like to quote example of Japan. Japan is the country that is taken as advanced country. It lacks in natural resources, but Japan produces highly valuable commodity in the shape of its students. So in today's modern world, education is taken as a valuable asset, and to invest in this valuable asset is responsibility of every parent. I'm really inspired to see that here at Beacon, traditional teaching is supported with innovative ideas. Our students have a great potential. I have experience of teaching in 3 provinces of Pakistan, and believe me, I have seen students rich in talent, but unfortunately that talent is not being taken out. We only just enter in the class as teachers, then deliver our lectures, and that is all. But real education requires us to interact with the students, to see their hidden talent, and then we have to take out that hidden talent, then we have to polish that talent so that these young souls may be molded into a valuable asset. Our country faces great crises these days, and then these crises are to be taken by this young generation. If we will not prepare this young generation for those crises, if we will not inform them, then who will come from heaven to teach us all these things? The prophethood has been sealed out. There will be no prophet. Now the responsibility is shouldered by teachers. And we teachers have to prepare this young generation for future challenges. Our country that faces challenges must not look for any messiah coming from foreign. We, the indigenous people of Pakistan, are supposed to be strengthened to face all these challenges. And these challenges will be faced by these students. And we are the teachers, you are the teachers who have to prepare this future generation to face and cope all the challenges of Pakistan. Talent is inborn. Every child is a gifted child. Every child has a talent, believe me, and that talent is only to be polished. We teachers have to polish this talent, and I salute the team of Beacon students, while performing here, have shown that how much hard work their teachers have put in them, and then how they have reacted to the hard work of their teachers. And today they were able to speak here. To speak before audience is not an ordinary task. To perform before this lengthy audience is not an ordinary task. It requires a lot of work and lot of labor. And the labor that teachers have put in those students well justified it. And I'm sure that with the passage of time, this talent would grow. The beacon that has continued its struggle as a small sapling and has now grown into a very big tree. My love, my prayer, and best wishes are always with the team of Beacon. Thank you very much.